Hello, YouTube viewers! I thought I would try something a little different this time and try to describe what's going on. Here I am trying to make some T-nuts for the bed of the CNC. I'm machining some A1 tool steel. At least I believe it's A1 tool steel. It came in a grab bag auction, so I'm not entirely sure. I'm using a 2-fluted carbide 1/4 inch end mill. And as you can see, everything's looking pretty good. The finish isn't great, but the cut is doing pretty well and the machine is holding up nicely. Everything was looking pretty good until almost right about now, and here's where I'll bring things back to real-time speed. We can take a look and watch the mess unfold. Again, making a pretty decent cut, although the surface finish may be lacking. It's a relatively decent cut though. It is making a racket. I'm sure my neighbors love me. Not sure if you noticed the vise starting to move there. I sure didn't. It'll take me a few more moments before I realize what's actually going on here. As you can see, some sparks coming off. I believe this is the end mill disintegrating. It is now currently hitting the vise jaws, which are hardened, and I now need to replace. I'm still thinking it's getting overheated, and it's just an end mill problem, and it's just too rough of a cut. So you can see I'm trying to get some coolant on there. And here's where I finally spot the problem and shut the machine down. Until next time, take care.